I want to demonstrate how this Beetles nail gel works. Here is my set. These colors are fantastic. I love the combination of them. Each set comes with 20 colors as well as your base coat, which I've already applied, and 2 different types of top coats. You've got a regular top gel that's clear and shiny, and then you also get the matte gel top coat. I'm doing a cool chrome effect here using chrome powders, and it looks a little messy right now, but I promise you it's going to clean up nice. I've applied a base gel now and a top coat, and I've cured them both, and now I've also applied to this hand this chrome powder, which you need the top coat to do. So now I'm going to attempt this effect here, and I'm going to use this nice basic gray. Success! I haven't cleaned them off yet because I still need to apply a top coat, but that's the effect I'm going for. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my nails now. Ah, I love it! Applying my Beetles gel nail polish to hand number 2. Okay, top coat is on, and what? Are you kidding me? I am obsessed. Look at how cool these chrome powders can be. Look at how nicely that beetle gray covered. That was one coat. Love it.